protection.
As your buyer's agent, my job is to protect you and your best interest at all times. Also introducing you to our amazing team of lenders that can help you get the best loan programs and interest rates. Inspectors that can help you understand the conditions of the home before you buy them. And we may even be able to get you a credit before closing. In addition to the title company, the insurance agent, the appraiser, and many other people that are involved during the home buying process. On top of that, as a professional agent, my job is to protect you and your deposit. When you purchase a property, you're going to be putting an escrow deposit of about 5, 10, 15, or up to even $50,000. You want to make sure your money is protected at all times. Because while you're under contract, if you don't do the things properly, you could lose that deposit. I've been fortunate enough to help over 200 people and have the experience to help you navigate the home buying process as well. If you want to get started, all you got to do, guys, is send me a message at 305-439-6211 to get started yourself. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time.